The courtroom was tense as Angela, a black woman in her late 30s, walked in alone. No lawyer, no support, just a thin folder clutched in her hands. The judge looked down. "Ms. Angela, you're representing yourself?" Angela nodded. "Yes, Your Honor. I have no lawyer, but I do have the truth." The prosecutor smirked. "Your Honor, this is ridiculous. She has no training, no defense. Let's move this trial forward and convict her." Angela took a deep breath. Her voice trembled at first, but steadied. "Sir, you've built this case on assumptions, but I have evidence you never bothered to find." The prosecutor crossed his arms. "Evidence? Show us." Angela opened her folder and held up a single photograph. "This is from the security archives. The night of the incident." The judge leaned forward. "Proceed." Angela pointed to the corner of the picture. "Right there. That is not me. That is the person you ignored." The prosecutor's face hardened. "That proves nothing." Angela's voice grew stronger. "It proves everything. You accused me without looking deeper. You mocked me because I stood here alone. But this photo," she held it higher, "shows the truth you tried to bury." The judge studied the photo, eyes narrowing. "Is this authenticated?" Angela answered firmly. "Yes, Your Honor. Straight from the building's security archives. I requested it myself." The courtroom went silent. The judge turned to the prosecutor. "Why was this never presented?" The prosecutor stuttered. I wasn't aware." The judge slammed his gavel. "Case dismissed. She is innocent. And this court will not tolerate negligence or arrogance." Angela closed her folder. She stood tall, her voice calm but powerful. "You can strip me of lawyers, of help, of protection. But you will never strip me of the truth." And with that, she walked out of the courtroom. Alone? Yes, but victorious. Because courage and truth can silence any lie. If the story touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories.